officers around us. We have the police officers, so now you do not have to worry about anything. The same protection that was provided has been continuing to be provided by our friends, and they're all around us. And I think what we need to do now is we begin to give our leaders, to really speak so that we can go is really known. And now, in the Muslim community, the president or the secretary general of all the African imams, and a lot of them now in the Bronx alone, they're about close to 50 masajid, 50 mosques. And their leader, one who can call each one of them and they will crawl to him, is right here. Everybody saw him with the mayor, with the governor, with everybody else. And we began with Imam Konate to open it so that we give our leaders 2 minutes each and then we can go.
Comme dispatcher la
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Kenga jefe parce que au building ke mo horos. Yeah.
Voilà, donnons un business.
Alhamdulillah.